Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for June 2025. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, Virgo. Ano yung energies for you ngayong June 2025? 11th house. You also have Gemini energy. Oh my God. Magsusocialize kayo ngayong June. Pwedeng meron kayong sasalihang grupo, can be a Facebook group or a club or a community na magiging active kayo. Pwedeng yung mga parent teachers organization, 'di ba? You also have Venus energy, which is about love, which is about money. So, I think bibigyan mo ng attention yung kalusugan mo. More on practicing self-love, self-care ito with Venus energy. Also, yung iyong finances, aayusin mo rin, aasikasuhin mo rin. Malaking bagay for you, Virgo, yung nagne-network ka. Sabihin, mas dumadami yung mga taong nakaka-connect sa'yo or kumo-connect ka sa kanila. This can be through social media or, face-to-face communication or interaction with someone. This will really help you achieve yung mga goals mo, especially sa finances. Kasi, di ba sabi nga nila, your network is your net worth. The more network you have, the more na opportunities yung darating sa'yo. Unlimited opportunities yan. Let's see what else. Virgo. 7 of Pentacles. This is waiting for fruition. Meron kang hinihintay. This can be hinihintay sa trabaho, career, or sa sources of income mo na kailangan mong i-push pa yung sarili mo para mas makuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo doon sa hinihintay mo. Meron dito mga temptations, Virgo, okay? May times kasi na maaring nababawasan yung iyong pasensya. Nauubos yung pasensya mo. Lalo na't may kailangan kang hintayin. But patience is a virtue, 'di ba? So eventually, you will get the results that you want if you are patient and faithful, no? Kung ikaw ay nagtitiwala, naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. You have the devil and the moon. Someone here, pwedeng ikaw to, or someone in your life, na hindi siya nakakapag-express ng feelings niya towards you, or ikaw hindi ka nakakapag-express ng feelings towards that person, na somehow parang lang siya, nagpapatong-patong, kinikim-kim, ganon. So, mas makakabuti na kung meron kang, let's say, sama ng loob, or kailangang ilabas through pakikipag-usap, gawin mo para hindi siya dumadami. Hindi dumadami yung mas bumibigat yung nararamdaman mo. If there's someone that you need to talk to that person. It will really help you a lot. Lalo na yung kung meron kang you are dealing with unhealthy habits, pwedeng ito ay some sort of addiction or anything na sumusobra na sa sarili mo na hindi ito nakakabuti na sa'yo sa kalusugan mo, let's say sa health mo, sa physical health mo, sa mental health mo, you have to release that. And then you have the Ace of Pentacles and the Sun. This is really good energy. It means merong bagong opportunity that is opening up para sa'yo. This can be related sa creative side mo, no? You are going to be more creative ngayong June. May mga sisimulan kang projects, pwedeng sa trabaho mo to, sa business mo, or sa any sources of income mo. If meron kang inaasahan na pera na marireceive ngayong June, marireceive mo naman talaga yan. Yung tipong may hinihintay ka. Let's say, merong nangako sa'yo na magbabayad sila ng utang sa June. So, darating talaga yon. Or may loan ka na ina-applyan na sa June marirelease. Or may hinihintay kang reimbursement. So, anything, any monetary na hinihintay mo, darating yan. Let's see, ano pa. Also have the 8 of Wands. So, maraming travels for you ngayong June. Going to different places. Pwedeng may mga asikasuhin kang importanteng dokumento or mga business ventures, mga taong kailangan mong kausapin. So, very busy. Ayan o, many options. Choices. You are flexible. marami kang kailangang pagtuunan ng pansin, or pwede ring meron kang desisyon na gagawin, lalo na't kailangan mong pumili kung saan mas bibigay mo yung attention mo. Wow. You will be popular, or meron kang platform na kung saan people are seeing you, nakikita ka nila, napapanood ka nila, na sinishare mo yung knowledge mo, yung skills mo, yung talents mo, whatever it is. So, some of you, maaring meron kayong career sa social media, sa internet, sa online selling. Some of you will also focus on strengthening your body. So, pwedeng kayo ay mag-workout. Oo. So, hinay-hinay lang din sa pag-workout kasi pwedeng kung minamadali mo, maaring magkaroon ng injury. You will also overcome a challenge. Itong challenge na to, itong problema na to, pwedeng matagal na tong inaayos mo sa sarili mo, sa buhay mo. And eventually, ikaw na yung talagang actively na aayos nito para magkaroon na ng closure, para ma-finalize na. And you will be successful in this field, no? Kung ano man tong kailangan mo talagang asikasuhin. Family wishes come true. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong hinihiling or kahilingan yung family ninyo, na ibig sabihin nag-a-agree lahat ng family about that wish na matutupad ngayong June. So, example, you are wishing for a new car, o makukuha nyo yan ngayong June, or you're wishing for a new house, o, diba? So, depende na yan. Nagkakaiba-iba yan sa iba't ibang family kung ano yung gusto nyo. Good advice from a wise person. So, merong tao na mag-share ng kaalaman niya, ng filosofiya niya sa buhay na makakatulong sa'yo in making decisions as well. Light-hearted, carefree time. O yung iba may secret admirer kayo. Pwedeng kaibigan nyo or kasama nyo sa grupo. Some of you are going to focus on your career. Puro trabaho talaga, no? Kung saan kayo mas kikita, saan yung progress ng trabaho ng career nyo or source of income nyo, talagang seseryosohin nyo to, talagang uupuan nyo talaga, or alam mo yun, talagang full effort yung gagawin mo. You are the truth seeker, awakening, actualizing, transcending. How can you invite more grace to guide you? Truth seeker. So, ibig sabihin nito, parang nagkakaroon ka ng awakening. This can be spiritual awakening, realizing ano yung totoo sa'yo, saan ka nagre-resonate ngayon, ano yung nagme-make sense para sa'yo. And you are going to that direction. For example, may bago kang belief system or may na-realize ka sa about life na gusto mong i-follow yung ganong klaseng lifestyle. Or way of living. So, dun ka papunta, no? Doon sa isang bagay na alam mong tutulong sa'yo para mas ma-improve mo yung sarili mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.